Ever since the internet came to life and web search became popular, there has been one component of marketing that has been super crucial for the success of brands overall. This component is called SEO, or search engine optimization, which basically means strategically putting keywords inside of your website or your platforms to make them rank higher whenever someone does a search for a related term on something like Google or any other search engine. There has been agencies that take care of doing this just specifically for you, since it does require a little bit of a technical knowledge, but things are starting to change really quickly with the release of Claude Code, and more specifically Claude Skills. There are now Claude Skills that are able to basically audit your whole website and tell you what the gaps are in your SEO for your page to start ranking higher. And while that's one part of the innovation, really that's not everything that's new. Now we have something that's called GEO, which means Generative Engine Optimization. And what does this mean, and what is the difference between this and search engine optimization? Basically, search engine optimization means you're going to be optimizing your website to be shown at the top of a search engine, and Generative Engine Optimization basically means that you're going to have LLMs or AIs recommend your site, your brand, your product. Think about when you search a query or you ask something to ChatGPT or Claude, it returns something, and it might even recommend you websites as well as products from specific URLs. And GEO means optimizing your website not only on the front end but also in the back end, so that when LLMs are trained with new data that's publicly available on the internet, it's able to read your website and able to recommend and give information based on the stuff that's on your website. And today I want to cover a skill that specifically focuses on making your website more highly. And today I want to focus on a skill that I've found online that takes care of auditing your website as well as doing changes to your website so that it's optimized for whenever these LLMs are trained, and that the AI is able to recommend you to its users. So this is the skill that I have found. It's basically a public repo on GitHub that's made by Zubair. I don't know if I'm saying your name right, but basically it includes a bunch of different skills and a bunch of different prompts that can be used through something like Claude Code to audit websites and recommend changes that need to be made so that we appear in LLM's results. So looking at this very briefly, so reading a little bit more about GEO and why it matters in 2026, it's because the AI referred traffic growth has gone up by 525% year over year, and the AI traffic conversion rate versus organic is 4.4 times higher. And all the skills and tools that are packaged inside of this GitHub repo include GEO Audit, which basically does a full GEO and SEO audit with parallel agents to your website. You can do a quick GEO visibility snapshot, GEO citability, which basically scores your content, GEO crawlers, which basically checks if AI crawlers has access to your website. It also has a command for GEO LLMs.txt to analyze and generate an LLMs.txt for your website. These are all different commands that are going to allow you to understand a little bit more how well your website is positioned to be recommended by AI. There's also an architecture of how the whole repo is structured. We can see that we have all these different skills. There are agents inside of this repo as well that can be called whenever you ask for a specific action. For example, generating a GEO audit, that would basically call the GEO AI visibility agent, which has access to some different skills. And so today I want to show you how I was able to run this on our website, and already started doing some improvements so that we get ranked by AI models even more. So it's very simple. The only thing you want to do is you want to come over to this repo. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to our community where I'm going to be putting this repo so that you can also grab it and use it for your own website. So first things first, you're going to copy this, and then you're going to give that to Claude, and then you're going to tell it that you want to install the skill. And then what's going to happen is that Claude is going to go over to that repo. It's going to grab all those skills. It's going to install it locally inside. It's going to install it inside of your project. And then you're going to be able to run all the commands. For example, here I can do /GEO audit, and I already have all of these, which I can run if I do GEO audit. Then I can paste the URL. In this case, I can put my own URL for my website, and it will go into my website and do the whole audit. I've already done that, so I want to show you guys the different results that I've been getting from running this skill. The first one is going to be the audit. I'm going to show you guys the report that it generated. Basically on the Dapta.ai platform, we got a score of 56 over 100. I've already started doing some improvements to our website, so it's probably different now. And we see that we get different scores and a breakdown by category. For example, how likely is AI going to be able to cite our website? What's our brand authority, technical GEO, so on and so forth. Then we have some critical issues. For example, here, when LLMs are being trained and they're crawling through all the internet, they might be looking for privacy policy or terms of service logs and URLs. For example, here it said that it was returning a 404 error. As you can see over here, I've already fixed that so that whenever someone goes to that slug specifically, we can see our privacy and policy. We get it points out some inconsistencies across pages, homepage schema, deployment unverified, some other priority issues. And this is all that's bringing my score from 100 down to 56. And as you can see, this is a very complete audit with a plan that you can follow in order to assess GEO correctly. Another super important one, which is a very key file that you need to have if you want to be ranked by LLMs, is having your LLMs.txt slug page, which basically is the first URL that these LLMs look for whenever they're crawling the internet, so that they have a better understanding of how your website is structured. I didn't have this in our website, so I created it, and it basically has the whole structure in the markdown format that LLMs are super good at understanding. And this report was generated just by going to the URL using the browsing tool that Claude already comes up with. But I actually decided to take this a step further, and our website was hosted in WordPress. And what I did was I went over to WordPress as an admin and I created an MCP tool. And I gave Claude Code access to my WordPress through MCP. And what this allows it to do is to see the website from the root as an admin and see what we actually have in our settings, rather than trying to figure out things by crawling or by going to the website externally. This gave Claude Code a better understanding of how things were set up on our website, and was able to tell me what settings I should go inside of WordPress and fix in order to be ranked in order to get my score a little bit higher. Not only that, but some of these changes were a little bit too technical and outside of my knowledge that I just said, Claude Code, you can go ahead and do that yourself. You already have MCP access, so it went ahead and it executed those changes. And this right here is the WordPress MCP adapter, which basically allowed Claude Code to have access to our WordPress account. If you're wondering how to install a MCP WordPress, there's tons of ways of doing it. The easiest one is to just copy this URL, give it to Claude, and tell it to install it for you. It's going to ask you for a token or for an API key that you can find inside of your admin settings inside of WordPress, and that'll basically give Claude Code MCP access to your account and be able to change different things. Although I would say be careful. If you're going to be using the MCP, make sure that you make it very clear that if it thinks of doing a change, that it should ask you first, so that it doesn't change something that you don't want to be changed, or maybe it does a fix that's too technical for you and it might mess up with your website and actually take it down. So I would say be very careful, and that pretty much covers it. I mean, there's a ton of skills over here. I would suggest you go through all of them and go through the GitHub repo yourself, so that you understand a little bit better what are the capabilities of this. SEO and GEO is a whole world of itself, so there might be things that might be out of your area of knowledge, which I suggest if it's saying to do a change and you don't understand why, to ask it what it means and how it would help. That way you also learn yourself what you're actually doing and how it's going to help your website rank. And another tip I would give you is, once you've implemented some changes and let's say 2 weeks have gone by, run the audit again to see if anything changed in your website and to see if your score is still persistent. With that being said, as I mentioned, I'll be leaving a link down below where you can find these repos and a guide on how to use all these tools in our free community. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and feel free to share it to a friend who owns a website and that needs to be ranked by AI. I'll see you guys in the next one.